This is an azalea here. This is a dwarf variety, so there's two different sizes pretty much. Well, there's three. There's actually a really dwarf, which tends to stay in kind of that 1 to 2 foot range, and then this is a medium size, so it'll grow up to that 3 to 4 foot range, and then there's the full size, which will get 5 to 6 feet. They bloom pretty much once a year in the spring. Everybody knows it here in Houston if you've lived here through the spring months. They bloom white, purple, pink, almost a red. It's kind of like a really hot pink, a light pink, a lot of different colors, but all kinds of those pinks and purplish ranges. They're evergreen. They're also, believe it or not, they are deer resistant because they're actually a member of the arborvitae family, I think is what it is. But so they're slightly poisonous and deer tend to stay away from them. They're evergreen. No real insects or diseases with this guy. It can tend to get a little bit of fungus. The only issue is that it does like very regular water, but it doesn't want to sit in the water. So it needs to be planted kind of high to allow the water to get to it and then run off quickly. So don't let it, if it's sitting in water, you will have issues with it.